Now it's time to pour in the chili sauce.
And not as hot as what I thought they'd be. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Whetu. We are doing another food challenge. Now today we're going to be doing the spicy noodle challenge. I know 1.5 million people on YouTube have already done this challenge, but I'm just kind of curious to how hot it's actually going to be. So we ended up getting in the hottest ramen noodles we could buy on the internet. You might have seen a lot of people do the noodle challenge where they do it with the black packaging. Well, the red packaging is from the same brand, but it's actually twice as hot as what the black packaging is. It's got on the black hot chicken flavored ramen, which is the black packet. It's got a 4,440 score on the Scoville level. This one has 8,880 score on the Scoville level, so it's gonna be fun. And we're gonna have Ash out with us to try it because she likes hot and spicy food a lot better than I do. So she'll probably beat me at this challenge, but we'll see how we go. Are you ready to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go make the noodles and then we'll come back and see what all the fuss is about. Okay, so we've got the noodles cooked. Now it's time to pour in the chili sauce, which will go right here. Yo, it's actually black. No, it's not that bad.
Just lick it?
Try that. It's orange. It's not crazy bad. It tastes good, but just like that little bit there.
Where's it?
No?
Where?
Try it. It's not that outrageous, is it?
No.
Okay, so it didn't seem that bad, just tasting like a little dab of it. But I'm hoping that pouring it all in will be a lot different. It also comes with these, what is it, like sesame seeds?
Yeah, seaweed and sesame seeds.
Yeah, just to make it more ramen-y, you know?
It's already started.
So I'm thinking I actually did mine a bit wrong. I'm pretty sure I left too much water in my noodles before I put the chili seasoning in, because everyone else's that I've seen, the noodles are pretty much red. So I've tipped the water out, so I've still got chili all over my noodles, but I'm going to chuck another one in just to make it heat a little bit more.
I think it's slow releasing. Yeah. It's alright now, the burn's gone.
Yeah, these are supposed to be insane, like people throw up on them. It's literally about to die. Alright, so we got our noodles here. Hopefully they're as hot as what they say they are, but we're going to get into it. Okay, ready? Cheers. They're hot. Not as hot as what I thought they'd be, but I reckon they're gonna get hotter, but we still gotta finish the bowl. How's yours?
If you stop, you can't feel the burn.
Feel the burn!
So get this, as soon as we go halfway through this challenge, my camera battery decides to die. So I'm actually filming off my phone now. It's getting hot. Hey.
My nose is full running. I think more than you though.
Shut up! Oh. Oh.
Do not.
Oh. But my lips are on fire.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, you alright? Like I said at the start of the video, I thought it was going to be hotter, but it's there now. Oh. You alright?
Yeah, just my lips burn so bad.
Like, it's not even the heat in your mouth, it's literally your lips. They're so hot.
I gotta get more milk.
Definitely the hottest ramen noodles I've had. Wow. No, I gotta finish. Oh. Oh.
I'm done. I'm not drinking that liquid, I'll die.
Oh. Alright, last bite. Oh, wow. Wow.
Don't you? Shoots crap on here.
So it's the spicy ramen noodle challenge. Oh. Thanks, Ash, for having lunch with me today. Until next time, I'm out. Stay fresh. Oh.
Yeah, I'll go wash my face in the shower. Yeah.
So it's been about 5 minutes after the challenge. It's just all around my lips. It's so hot and sore. How do you feel 5 minutes after?
Well, I'm alright now.
No wet wipes.
Yeah, I thought I got chili on my face, so I had to wash my face.
My face is just on like my
Today, Junior!
lips are just on fire.
And I stopped touching my lips with them, so the back of my tongue, I can literally feel my taste buds all risen. I won though.
Okay, yeah, she won. But we both.
We were close, but you still did it. You didn't back out.
It's getting hot in here. So